How did someone completely embarrass themselves on accident? My friend woke up way too late for school, but like any parent would, his mom forced him to go anyway. But there was a huge problem. If he was late one more time, it was automatic detention. So he panicked and did the dumbest thing possible. He grabbed a piece of paper, scribbled out a fake doctor's note, and walked into class like he owned the place. The second he stepped in, he put on his most serious voice. "Oh, I had a doctor's appointment," but the teacher, she barely looked up. "Okay, let me see the note. So far, everything was going great." He handed it over and started heading to his desk, fully convinced he got away with it. The teacher put on her reading glasses to check, but not before looking confused. She squinted, tilted her head, flipped the note over like there had to be something more to it, and then she smirked. "Come back up here." His face went from confidence to pure terror. She slowly turned the note toward him, tapped the paper, and pointed